Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that I can be a part of your continuous improvement journey. My name's Amanda Zimmerman. I'm a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt, and I started Beautiful Opportunities in 2020 to help make it easy for people to start their Lean Six Sigma journey, start their DMAIC journeys, execute their projects, grow their programs, really to show success, to make work easier. I don't care what industry you're in. I don't care where you're at in the world. This is possible for you. I'm super passionate about the service industry. This is where I've mostly worked and had my projects in. So I am passionate about how much this can help you make your work better. So this channel is all about enabling your continuous improvement journey. So if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, please feel free to shoot those over to me. You can see in the description how you can reach out or contact me. You can also check out our website, beautifulopportunities.com, where you can download some of the different templates that we talk about. You can see some of the different lessons or how-to be able to use these tools. And of course, if you need more, if you have other questions, reach out. We also have workshops that are going on to help enable your journey, to help you make work easier, no matter where you're at, no matter where you're at in the world, no matter what industry you're in. So feel free to reach out, feel free to subscribe or connect with me in any way that you need to. And I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day.